VAC's Vertex Evaporative Condenser is where reliability meets easy maintenance. It uses evaporative cooling, an inherently sustainable solution for industrial refrigeration and process applications. But what makes the Vertex condenser the best choice for you? When it comes to reliability and uptime, the Vertex condenser delivers. Its EC fan system ensures uninterrupted operation. Also, with superior material options, increased corrosion resistance and longevity, saving you time and money. Remote monitoring and control further enhance reliability. Next, cut your maintenance time in half while also being easy and safe. That's why the Vertex condenser features the largest access door, a sturdy step, and a safety handle, making inspections a breeze. An internal walkway provides a safe and spacious walkable surface, alleviating confined space concerns. Inspecting the basin, strainer, and coils has never been easier. With grade-level access to the drive system and pumps and controls, maintenance is even safer and more efficient. Nozzle inspections are also fast with platforms at an ergonomic working height. Lower installation costs with quick section alignment and added savings from pre-assembled platforms. Lastly, for many replacements, you can increase capacity while reducing energy usage without adding weight, thanks in part to the EC fan system and the unique basin design with 30% less water volume. Reliable, accessible, efficient. The Vertex Evaporative Condenser is the industrial refrigeration solution designed for you. Ready to maximize uptime and savings? Contact us today.